Welcome to Module 20, and in this section we're going to implement a follower and following system. Now, it's just not possible nowadays to create a socially networky type of site and not include this particular feature. It would literally be a crime to development. So it's made it into this particular course. And what we're going to do in this particular module is we're just going to implement the following feature from end to end. Now, what's kind of new in this particular section is that we need a type of relationship that's considered a self-referencing many-to-many relationship. And it's considered a self-referencing many-to-many relationship because our user can have many followers, and our user can also follow many other users. So we've got that kind of relationship. And what I just want to show you now is the relationships between all of our tables. I've excluded the ASP.NET Core identity tables that we're not really using as part of our application, and certainly we're not interacting with them. So I've removed all of them to simplify this relationship diagram that shows the state of our application. Now, in the top left, we've got our following relationship. And what we're going to create is a join table. And it's going to have an observer, who is the follower. And it's going to have a target, and that's going to be the user that they're following. So we've got a many-to-many with a join table. But it's being joined by the same table in this case, not like our activities and our users, which were two separate tables. This is a self-referencing kind. But the configuration is going to be very similar to what we did before. So let's take a look at a before and after picture of what we're creating here. At the moment, we've just got static content for our followers and following. And obviously what we're aiming for is to give this some functionality. So after we've implemented this particular function, then what we'll be able to do is actually click on the follow button and we'll have an extra follower. And we'll also be able to see the followers and the following inside the content of the user's profile page as well. So this is where we're going with this particular section, just a normal following follower feature, and we'll get started implementing that next.